For thousands of years, a hidden science of manifestation was whispered inside lodges, temples, and mystery schools. Today we decode it in 10 minutes. Modern manifestation is sold as wishful thinking. Write it down, feel grateful, wait for the universe to deliver. But the ancients never treated it as emotion. They treated it as engineering, a predictable law like gravity operating on mind, symbol, and action. Freemasonry preserved this science inside its rituals, tools, and architecture. The square represents exactness. The compass represents limits set by natural law. The letter G in the center stands for geometry, the first language of order. Masons did not build cathedrals only with stone. They built them as blueprints for consciousness. Foundation first, then column, then arch, then light. The axiom, as above, so below, is not poetry. It is a statement of correspondence. The macrocosm reflects the microcosm. The pattern of the solar system is echoed in the atom, in the body, and in the mind. Change the pattern in one layer, and you influence every layer. This is why symbol, visualization, and inner speech matter. They are not superstition. They are the first movements of a new pattern. The Kybalion gave us 7 principles. Mentalism, all is mind. Correspondence, as above, so below. Vibration, everything moves. Polarity, every quality has its opposite. Rhythm, the pendulum swings. Cause and effect, nothing escapes law. Gender, masculine and feminine energies generate all creation. These are not beliefs, they are the operating manual. Ignore them and your manifestation drifts. Align with them and it converges. The Greek philosophers called it logos, the underlying order of all things. Heraclitus said you cannot step into the same river twice because everything flows. Yet beneath the flow is a pattern. Plato added that the visible world is a shadow of invisible forms. To manifest is not to force the shadow. It is to first contact the form, then let the shadow reshape itself. Quantum physics now confirms what the mystics knew. Observation collapses possibility into form. The double-slit experiment shows that particles behave as waves until measured. The observer is not separate from the observed. Entanglement shows that separated systems remain correlated. Non-locality suggests information is not bound by space. This does not mean you can magically receive a mansion. It means consciousness participates in the selection of outcomes. Manifestation is the act of observation, belief, and action collapsing a coherent path from the field of possibilities. Here is the practical technique the traditions converge on. Layer 1, mental rehearsal. Close your eyes and run the desired scene in first person with sensory detail for 60 seconds every morning and night. Layer 2, emotional conviction. Feel the result as already real. Not excitement, but certainty. Layer 3, aligned action. Take one concrete step within 24 hours. The action is the vote that tells the subconscious, the body, and the world you are serious. Repeat daily. The compound effect is the manifestation. Repetition is not desperation, it is neuroplasticity. Every repetition of an inner scene strengthens the neural pathway. Every repetition of an action reinforces identity. The ancients used prayer beads, mantras, ritual circles, and daily lodge meetings for exactly this reason. The brain needs evidence. Give it evidence until the new state feels inevitable. The biggest blocker is contradiction. If you visualize wealth while whispering that money is evil, you cancel the signal. If you picture health while dreading disease, you feed the wrong pattern. The Kybalion's law of polarity says both forces exist. Your job is to consistently choose the pole you want. Clean contradictions from speech, environment, and association. So the ancient science of manifestation is this. Define the form in mind, feel it as real, speak and act in alignment, repeat until the pattern dominates, and trust the law. It is not magic, it is the marriage of consciousness, symbol, emotion, and disciplined action. Freemasonry gave the architecture, the Kybalion gave the 7 keys, the Greeks gave the logos, quantum physics gave the mechanism. You give the decision. Pick one desire, write it as a single sentence. Visualize the end scene for the next 7 days. Take one aligned action each day, and remember the axiom the sages carved in stone: as within, so without; as the mind, so the world. Subscribe, join the Fire Chosen community, and support the mission through the perks page. The veil is thin for those who choose to see.